At my last job, I felt like I was doing so much more than what my job description entailed. I would take on more work because I wanted to make more money. When I asked for more money, they said no. That made me feel really unappreciated, undervalued. So I started looking online for how to make more money and how to have a second income source. That's when I came across these workshops that introduced me to the concept of affiliate marketing. In these workshops, they talked about how they teach you how to do everything from the ground up, how to build your own affiliate marketing business. While I was at my previous job, thinking about the future was gloomy. Each day I went to work, it felt less fulfilling. I was less excited to be there. It felt like I was giving the company a lot more than what they were giving me. I saw friendships suffer, relationships start to dwindle. Even my personal well-being was going in the direction I didn't want it to. Then I found these workshops. Affiliate marketing is the process of receiving a commission for a sale when you recommend a product. I was basically clueless of how to make money online, but these workshops really held my hand the whole way. The workshops taught me with this thing called the internet, you don't need to be a genius to make money online. You just need to learn how and to take action. So, want to have a peek? Want to take action? This company's been around for more than 10 years. You'll know right away if it's for you or not. Click the link and check the workshops out. See if it's for you.